Welcome back to Ball the Image. If this is your first time, hi, my name is RUSHAE. I'm a lover of fashion, the business of fashion. I'm also a little obsessed with vintage. If you are new here, I do a lot of styling content, primarily through thrifted and vintage finds. So if you do like styling content, please consider subscribing. I'd love for you to join the family. So this week, I went back to the Salvation Army, which is, my go-to now that a few others have closed. So if I'm in a time crunch, that's usually the best place to go. But if you are new here as well, I set myself a $50 budget challenge that I get to use every week to see, just a little downtime to see what I can find, little treasures. So I'm gonna go into the come thrift with me, and then I come back here and show you what I got. So first up, I love this tweed coat. It's giving me definitely Chanel-esque vibes. So that's, the first option. Only $12.99. But then there's this, another tweed Chanel dupe option. Very cute. I liked the colors of this. This is very vintage. It's definitely giving me 70s vibes. This I loved. I love the color of it. I really like the buttons of it, but it was really oversized and I'm not sure that would, fit well. Fun leather coat, but it was $30, so I passed on this. This is a very interesting looking skirt. It has like embellishments here and like there's a lace overlay thing on the skirt. I'm not sure if you can see that, but yeah, this is what this looks like. It's definitely larger for me. What's this? West 36th New York vintage skirt. Yeah, I'm not sure if I could fit this, so I'm gonna pass on this. There's this one. This is more like a fishtail kind of skirt. A lot of these midi denim skirts are back. This is a maybe. This looks interesting. This is strange but fun. I love the layers of lace and different textures on this skirt. But yeah, it is actually a much larger size, so I wouldn't want to try to doctor this. It would definitely lose the drama of it, but very cute. More Chanel-esque looking tweed, but this is more like a bomber jacket, so it's like modern Chanel. That's what they're doing now, I think. So I'm doing a quick try on just to check these coats. This is the first one. It is looking a little snug. It would fit just a little close, but yeah, this is the second one, a lot more relaxed fitting. But yeah, so I'm not sure. This is a cute little one. Unfortunately, there was damage on the back of it when I took it off, so I had to leave this. But even though it's red, I'm into the cropped jackets now. This is another fun. This is actually a suit. I loved the color on this. I thought it was really fun as well. So this week I spent $32 and I only got a few pieces, but a few fun pieces. And the first thing that I got is this little suit. I loved the collar situation going on here. I don't know what you call this color. I forgot what you call this. It's not tulip, I forget. But I just really loved the color of this. It has this little belt in the back. I just thought really fun. I've been looking for, more colorful suits. The last 2 years, they've been really a surge in trend for more colorful. Everybody wants to be a lot more colorful. So when I saw this, I'm like, it's not like a bright green, but with spring coming up, a nice little light green will work out well, which I could probably wear in the summer as well. It is lined. Oh no, it's only half lined, so I think I can get away with it in the summer as well. But yeah, so this is the first thing that I got, and yeah, I don't have this color, so good little find. So here's the suit, and you can get an idea of the color now that I've added this lighter color beside it. So it's like this pastel sea foamy green is what I'm going for. But yeah, you can see what it looks like. Of course, it's a bit probably a size or two bigger than my usual size, but for suits and for whenever I'm wearing pants in general, I just like it to have a little more relaxed fit, so I'll always go up in size regardless, just to get that nice swing in the legs. So that makes it nice and relaxed. my word of the day is nice. Last week, the amount of times I said fun, I should have made it a drinking game. It was like fun, fun, fun. Okay, let me, not use the word of the day today, but this is what the suit looks like. Pewter sandals. I've added this little vintage-y bag. That's the other thing, because this is looking so structured. I thought a nice fun bag. If I go with anything too structured, then it becomes a little more businessy, a little more workwear. So this is, I forgot who it's by. Sandra Roberts. Yeah, so just a fun, playful little white bag, keeping the tones nice and light. I thought I'd just pair this with it. It's almost like a Fendi baguette type style. That's what I had in mind when I saw this. I'm like, oh, Fendi baguette. But yeah, it has all these little ridges. But yeah, fun little bag, which will help to make the suit even more casual. So this is the first thing that I got. I'm like, it has no pockets? Oh yeah, it has pockets, it's okay. And just so you see what it looks like open, making it even more casual, giving you that fun little playfulness in the color. I've paired this vintage belt in the same kind of color tone. I really want to keep this look light and have nothing like screaming out. So this is what it looks like open, and I really love it. It's a very fun suit. So yeah, this is the first thing that I got. Next up, I found this skirt. Now, the trend has gone back to these maxi and midi skirts. A lot of brands started doing back this like 90s like fishtail-y type skirt. This one I didn't notice until I got home, that there's a slight like, what do you call it, patch here. But it's fine. I'll still try it on just to see how I can style this and how this works on my body type. It's basically a pant skirt with a little fishtail, so I have high hopes for this. So this is the next thing that I got. So here's the skirt. I was putting it on before I even took the top off, and I do like them together, so I kept it on. This is what the skirt looks like. It's definitely giving me va 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 voom in the shape. Oh my goodness. And this little kick flare is perfect. I do love, defining the waist, even if it's just a little chain belt. I really love that chain belt. Just a nice little accent. Oh my God, for someone who doesn't have a lot of hips, this is giving me hip city. So absolutely, I am loving this. This is, I forgot the brand. It is Alaia, I think, is doing one very similar to this, and I remember it because it was about $1,700 thereabout for something very similar to this. It was like a lighter blue, but I looked at it and I'm like, I wouldn't, it wouldn't fit me, it wouldn't look good on my body. So it's good to like try these things on from the thrift, and then when you can assess it on your own body shape, then you can be like, oh, I can actually wear something like that. So when you see somewhere else, if you want to indulge in another brand that you like, then at least you know that that style of clothing, skirt, whatever it is, actually works on your body type. So this is what this looks like. Very surprising, but I really, really actually like this. But I also love that if I wanted to dress it up some more, I could. So I just put on this little cropped vintage jacket, grabbed my Teddy Blake. This is in the Kim, in the lizard with gold hardware. I absolutely love this little bag. I'll leave some information for Teddy Blake in this bag below. But yeah, so I've just grabbed this, put on this little cropped blazer. I'm wearing my 9 West kitten heel pointy toe boots. But yeah, I'm very surprised by this. I didn't know that I would have liked it as much as this. So this is what the skirt looks like. I love it dressed up. This is so cute. But yeah, this is the next thing that I got. Finally, I'm always, on the lookout for anything that I can do designer wise. I just love being able to have that option and, enjoying the trend, enjoying the crave for that designer piece, but for, a much lower budget. And when I saw the two trench coats that looked very Chanel-esque, you know, I was a little torn, but the brownie one looked a little more fall, and with spring coming up, I, you know, want something that I can throw on right now. So I wasn't sure, but you know, a pink trench coat, I'm like, do I want a pink trench coat? In the end, the brown was a little too warm, little too deep toned, and it was a little close as well. So I did go ahead with this awesome pink tweed Chanel-esque coat. And yeah, I loved also that inside it has this nice black and white. It's almost like a paint, just a casual like paint swatch. But yeah, so really love the black and white inside, and I just loved how this fit. It flowed really nice. So this is a fun little coat, and the color isn't too, you know, bubblegummy, so it is definitely quite doable. You know, I can see this just throwing on with jeans or whatever, but just really fun, casual, Chanel-esque piece. And so here it is, my Chanel dupe coat. It fits really, really nice. So when I tried this on, I knew definitely this is the one that I had to get. The other one was just definitely very tight, even on my arms. This feels so comfortable on. I love the little A-line shape that's going on as well. It's like, especially because I'm doing with like jeans and just a very casual, I love that balance of, you know, very formal, sophisticated, and you know, streetwear. So this is how I've styled it. I've put on this cute little satin pink heels. You know, it's still playing around with that formal versus casual kind of look, Prada Galleria. And yeah, it's just a cute, fun little look. And just to undo it, to make it even more casual, this is what it looks like on. But fun, fun, fun. I never thought, you know, go with a pink or look for a pink coat, but I love this muted pink tweed coat. It's so feminine, but not too girly at the same time, because it's nice and structured and classic. So I love that. This is going to be like one of my favorite coats for spring. I can already see it. So here's my Chanel dupe coat. So this is a final piece. It's a short little haul, but I love this. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section what look is your favorite, what piece is your favorite as well. Don't forget to subscribe. I'd love for you to join the family. And if you did like this video, please give it a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.